Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring your console is fully updated and your game saves are backed up to the cloud. Once done, close any running apps to free quick resume slots. Go to Settings System Updates and make sure your console has the latest firmware, then confirm Cloud Sync for your profiles. Next, press the Xbox button, switch to the active app, press Menu and choose Quit. This clears sessions so you can control quick resume behavior. Now you manage quick resume by quitting games and clearing stored states. You need to individually quit each title using the Xbox button. That prevents it from auto-resuming later. If a title persists, go to Settings System Storage, find the game and uninstall it to remove residual quick resume data. Once you've removed the problematic entries, restart the console. That forces the system to rebuild quick resume slot. To complete the process, adopt habits or change settings to prevent quick resume behavior. You can't fully toggle quick resume off globally, so you must manually quit games when finished. If things still misbehave, perform a soft factory reset, keep games and apps from setting system console info to clear system state without losing installs. If that fails, power cycle the Xbox by unplugging for 10 seconds to clear cache. If problems persist, try uninstalling the specific title and reinstalling it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.